Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a quick ass, good ass snack.
Big Bamboo is on 132 Nanyang Road in Jingon. It's 7,577 miles away and is rated 4 stars.
So here we go. Valentina. Pickles. Hot Cheetos. And TAKIS. Okay. Plate. I'm gonna use 2 of these big ass pickles, y'all. Gonna cut this in small pieces. I'm gonna cut them into small pieces because I don't want to have no big pieces either. I want to be able to just grab a piece and be able to chew the whole thing. I don't want it to be too big. So I'm cutting them this size. Okay, guys.
Time to stoke the steamer's engine. Want her to keep chugging along.
Stoke the engine?
Yeah, it means putting wood in this firebox. The fire heats up water into steam. That makes the steam train go.
That's why she's called the steamer. Ready to stoke the engine, co-engineer Peg? Sure thing, co-engineer Corn.
Alright, so I'm about to be done cutting this up. I'm not gonna be all extra with my chip crushing, so I am gonna open the bag, let the air get out of it, and we're gonna hold the top part where get the air out, smash it, yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the same Valentina, smash them. You can use as many chips as you want. Gonna check it. Okay. Gonna go ahead, start putting it on my pickle.
Don't worry, Sam. We've got this. Co-engineer's the
Same thing. I'm gonna let the air out. I'm doing the Takis ones harder because these chips are harder than the hot Cheetos, so I want to make sure they get broken down into small pieces. Check it. Okay. Gonna go ahead and add that. to my pickles. Alright, so this is how it's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and add another bag of hot Cheeto, because I feel like that is not sufficient enough for me. So let the air out. Okay, I'm gonna pour this where I feel like it needs it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my hot sauce. I like my food really spicy, so I'm using the black Valentina. And just put chile as you like it.
With Chewy.com, we can get all that food for a great price, and all is happy and healthy and living their best life.
That's it, guys.
Super worried about the money.
Yes.
Thanks to Chewy.com, you can save money on food and toys and even their prescription medicine.
Look at how good that looks.
And we were able to rescue Max.
A quick 5-minute snack. It's not even that expensive. Just do it at home. And it tastes bomb as fuck, y'all.